Hello mga ka-trending! Welcome back to ZK Trend. At dahil rest day nga nang bumubuo ng staff at syempre ng ating Don Bell kahapon, ay nakapunta nga itong ating Donnie sa kasal ng kanyang pinsan na si Kiana Valenciano. At for the host nga itong ating Donnie kasama Paolo Valenciano na talaga namang grabe ang naging banters nga ng dalawa. Sobrang gwapo nga nito sa naging polo suot ni Donnie. At marami rin kinilig sa isang video na kung saan maririnig na hinanap nga si Bel Mariano. Halina't panoorin natin.
I have to get used to that. But yeah, welcome everyone. We want to do...
Before we, let's not call them in muna. I think we should do like a trivia game.
Icebreaker.
Yes, an
Say.
icebreaker.
And you are the very special people in her life.
And his life.
And his life. O nga pala, I have a new brother. Sorry, Tolentinos. Sorry. I have to get used to that. But yeah, welcome everyone. We want to do...
Before we, let's not call them in muna. I think we should do like a trivia game.
Icebreaker.
Yes, an
Say.
icebreaker.
Before we call them in, we want us just a quick icebreaker so that we kind of relax a little bit. I know a lot of the younger guys and well, also the older guys who are drinking outside. Professional host.
We can switch it naman if he wants. What ba? We can do that.
Siya mali, di ba? Siya. Ako ba yung mali? I told you eh! See? I'm not the pro,
sorry.
but sometimes, humility is also,
Alam
God
mo,
knows us.
nakita ko lang yung itsura niya. Hindi ko na lang gagawin ko. So, okay na yan.
Okay, so next up we've got this wonderful cake by...
Wow.
What a big happy family.
Wow. I would love to be a part of that.
Sali na rin ako.
Lagi ka naman parang bumain lang.
Thank you so much, guys.
Wow.